9 over 8 into its simplest form or lowest term or reduced form. Look, to simplify this fraction, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. 1 times 8 equal to 8, so 1 and 8 are the factors of 8. 2 times 4 equal to 8, so 2 and 4 are the factors of 8. Again, 1 times 9 equal to 9, so 1 and 9 are the factors of 9. And 3 times 3 equal to 9, so 3 is the factor of 9. So the greatest common factor between these two numbers is just 1. So if you divide this 9 by 1, 8 by 1, you will get same thing. Look, this is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So divide numerator by denominator 8. 8 goes into 9. How many times? 1 times 1 times 8, 8. Subtract 1. So this will be our quotient, our whole number part. This will be our numerator and this will be denominator. So 1 and 1 8 is our answer. This is a mixed number.